Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. Today we're at Mazda. We're doing a fitment on a CX-5. This one is going to be a center mount. You can see there's a plate already drilled into it, and we're going to go right below that. And there are fasteners there, so this is going to be a no drill. And with that, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn it over to Mike.
Okay, thanks Steve. Alright, so like Steve said, today we're doing a Mazda CX-5, and we're going to be removing 2 factory screws and putting new screws in. So we're going to be using a 8mm socket, removing the 2 factory screws that are dead center. There's one here, there's one here. And again, we will not be reusing those. We're going to take our base plate and our we're going to be using 4.8 by 25s with a 1/8 inch washer. So the screw is going to go through the base plate with a spacer on top. And that's going to, as you can see, there's a lip right here. That's just going to keep it so the bracket lays nice and flush. And there's the next one right there. Now we're going to take our 4.8 again, tighten up the base plate. I like to just kind of run them until they're snug. You know, start each one loose. Don't try to do one at a time tight, or it'll be hard to line it up. And now that they're tight, now this is going into a metal J clip, so as you can see, I can put a pretty good turn on it. Should never have any problem with these falling out. You should get it in there nice and tight. As you can see, and again, we will not be reusing those. Then once that's on, start your front into the tubes, hold the pull pin, and then you'll hear it click into place, and there you go, you're done. Okay. It should take you about 10 minutes total to put this on.
Yeah, and then periodically you want to make sure that you lubricate the pull pin with some WD-40, and if you go through a car wash, make sure you remove the front plate because it will get damaged going through there. And then let me get a straight on view, and you can see that it's right below the license plate there, and then your license plate will go on the front of that.
Yeah,
and
as opposed to here, they drilled into the plastic,
yeah,
to mount this.
So and then you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.